This is a short presentation of Predictor Analyst. With Predictor Analyst you read in result files and you show and calculate noise contours. First you select the noise categories. Next you select the periods. Based on the day, evening and night values, Predictor Analyst automatically calculates the 24-hour value. In this case the 24-hour value has been put on the LDEN. At the left you see the project tree. Beneath the day, evening and night and LDEN period, the noise categories are shown. Beneath each noise category, the result files are shown. So for urban road traffic in the day period, 2 result files have been selected. If you click on the result file, you see the color-coded results. The coloring is based on the settings, for the classes, the coloring and the hatching. So for urban road traffic there are 2 result files, one for the whole project area and one close by the roads. Predictor Analyst automatically combines these result files into one polygon contour. This has been done for urban road, but also for suburban road and the other noise categories. For the day period, Predictor Analyst automatically combines the separate noise categories into one noise map. So this gives a full noise map of urban road, suburban road, railroad, industry and air traffic for the day period. The same applies for the evening, the night and the LDEN. You could also show the LDEN per noise category: urban road, suburban road, railroad, industry and air traffic. In this way you have a good overview of your results in a nice organized way. So let us look again at the urban road traffic in the day period. Here I look at the polygon contours. On the Data tab you can select the result files. As shown in the project tree, 2 result files have been selected. The result files can be in text format, shape format or mapinfo format, as long as they have got an X, a Y and a decibel value. You can use it in Predictor Analyst. So it can come from any calculation software. On top of your noise contours, you can also show digital files. We call it background files. You can select the background files in this dialog. You can select shape files, bitmap files, JPEG files, DBV files. Several file formats are available. In this case, 3 files have been selected as backgrounds. You can switch on or off the backgrounds with this button on the speedbar. Now I've shown also the background files. In fact, they are shown on top of the noise contours. With my scroll mouse, I can zoom in or zoom out. The black lines are the roads, the gray areas are the buildings, and the little green dots are postcode files. Postcode points. The postcode points belong to a shapefile that include information of people and dwellings. I can use that information in the analysis option. For instance, analyze noise exposed objects. I can select this zip code point file. I can select on which attribute of the point file I want to calculate and I want to count. Click on the start button. And Predictor Analyst counts the number of dwelling and the number of people per class, per noise class. You can also make an output to Internet. This goes with the Tools Export option, Export to Internet Noise Map. And you can select the layers that you have been selecting in Predictor Analyst for an output to your Internet Explorer. Per layer you can also select some information. For instance, for the contour layer, I would like to see in my Internet Explorer the classes with the description dBA. For the zip code points, for instance, I could also select the number of dwellings. Or the number of people. Next, I have to select the location of my HTML files. For instance, I want to put it on the C drive and I want to create a folder with the name Internet map. I select this folder as being my output folder for my HTML files. I click on Start, and next several HTML files are created in the folder C Internet Map, and Predictor Analyst asks me to open it with Internet Explorer. I click on the Yes button, my Internet Explorer starts and reads in the HTML files and shows the map in my Internet Explorer. In my Internet Explorer, I can move my mouse over the colors. For instance, this color says 0 to 45 dBA. The yellow color is 45 to 50, displayed in this field. If I move it over a green dot, I also see the amount of dwellings and the amount of people, because I've selected that in Predictor Analyst. I can zoom in or zoom out. And I also can select the layers or deselect layers in my Internet Explorer. This concludes the presentation of Predictor Analyst. I would like to thank